I'm going to upgrade the side marker. One in the front, one in the rear. 2 LED light. So this will be the driver side. One light on this side and one. So as you see, this one has amber color and on the back is red color. But I'm going to change it to the smoke color. The new LEDs, they're going to look awesome. Hello everyone, please welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to change the rear side marker on your Mercedes G-Wagon. It's very easy, but it's not simple. But if you follow the instructions, then it's very easy. Please check it out. The front marker, I did change it. Those are amber color, and these are red LEDs. So I have a poster video for that, so please check it out. These are smoked LEDs, and I really like it. So I'm going to put these on. I already opened it. In order for me to show you, I have to educate myself how we're going to remove it in a simpler way. This is the one we removed it. A tip I wanted to share with you, it comes with the rubber seal, which is very important to put it on, but with the new LEDs, it did not come. And as I noticed that these are kind of really deteriorated, I'm going to use the same one at this time. I'm going to place the order. Once I'll receive it, then I'll replace it with the new one. But I'll put the part number in case if you need one. These are not going to leak. These are sealed. It's really good. It's not going to leak out. If you don't have these rubber seal and if you tighten the screw, then it will crack. Behind the marker light, it gives a cushion, so it's not going to crack. So we're going to replace that as well. In order to open it, this one has the 2 Phillips screws, which we remove it. Many people will do rework. They will cut the wire here, then they will cut the wire and then put it together. But I won't suggest. It takes a little longer route, but it gives you the perfection. You put the right connection to the right place. So let me show you on this one what you need to do. This is the side marker and this is the wiring. And there is a rubber seal which we're going to pull it and then we're going to unplug it from here. So when you do it, you unplug this one and this is for the side marker. But in order to get this one, this is the back lighting. First of all, this is going to have the cover on top. You need to remove these 2 screws. Once you remove these 2 screws, this is how it comes out. Then you will see box. It has 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. You remove those screws and all these screws are Phillips screws. Then you pull this one out. And it could be possible you have to apply force because they are sitting there for a long time and these rubbers probably get melted, they are sticky. So once you take it out, you've seen this. So we're going to pull that one out. I can put my hand from underneath and there is a rubber grommet which I mentioned to you. We need to make sure that we pull it. Oh yes. So I pulled it. This is the rubber. This is the grommet which needs to go inside and it will seal it, and what it does is it prevents any water leakage into the lighting fixture. So we're going to pull this one out. This one we're going to use it. So as you see, this is how I slide out the rubber, and this is very important piece of packaging. This one you really need it. We're going to use it and now we can pull this one back. See, when we're pulling it out, and now we're going to put the new one. As I mentioned, I'm going to use the same rubber seal. I have to get the new one. This is the new one. So as I mentioned, I'm going to use the same one. So we're going to put it inside and this is how it's going to go. As you've seen the previous video, we're going to use a tie wrap or tape here so it's not going to move. We're going to run this wiring and we're going to run through that hole. So I'm going to put my hand from underneath. We're going to run this wiring. So we're going to pull this wiring out like this. And this one you have to force it. Put it like a rubber band, like this. Then we're going to keep turning and it goes all the way back. It's hard to show you when you're working with these small things, but you know what I mean. So now see the rubber goes in there. So now we're going to push it back into the body of our G-Wagon. We're just going to push this one and I'm going to put it inside. We can put the rubber, we can pull it from other side. So if it gets harder to put it in, use a small screwdriver. Once you put it halfway, then you push with the screwdriver. So now it comes in and we can pull the wiring. And we're going to pull this one out. So we're going to put this one just like this. And these are 2 screws. Only tip I wanted to share with you that don't use a drill as I'm using it, because you can tie it too hard and then they will crack. It's a good idea to use a hand screwdriver. Before we tighten all the screw, what I'm going to do, I'll plug it in and then we're going to test it. And as for the orientation, this is only one way it goes in. When you put it in, you press it. And now we're going to test the light, if it's working or not. So now we're going to test light. Look at it. This is very bright light. So you've seen it, how it's easy and it's simple to change the side marker. These are the old ones to new, and those are smoked light. And they're going to look really nice. They bring the outlook of your Mercedes. So I'm going to change it the same way on the other side. And now we're going to put this wiring back, and we're going to put this one securely back, put the screws back, put the cover back, and that's how it's easy and simple to upgrade your side marker, rear side marker to LED marker. If you like this video, like always, like, share, and subscribe my channel. So thank you, and have a good day. Bye-bye. So this is the passenger side. This is the light. LED light is working, as you can see, and we're going to tighten these screws. So please don't over tight, otherwise you will crack the side marker. And that's it. And that's so easy and simple. I'll show to you right now at night time how the light looks. This is in the red color, that's in the amber color. The LED looks in the front, the amber color. The red LED looks at the nighttime. Look at how nice and bright. Very bright.